Python class. This is a Python class which work like templates that let us create objects. Imagine we are building a video game and we need different characters, each with their own stats such as health, damage and speed. In this example, we define a class called character. From this class, we create two separate objects, a warrior and a ninja. Python automatically calls the init method, the constructor, to set up the data. The self parameter refers to the specific object being worked on, warrior or ninja. Printing their speeds shows the unique values assigned during creation. Methods like double speed add behavior. Only the warrior speed changes here. Each object maintains its own state while sharing the same structure. Hopefully, this gives you a clear understanding of how Python classes and objects work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.